This is the Lenovo Ideapad Duet Chromebook, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then launch the Google Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera like so. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Opera to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now we can go ahead and launch the Opera. In here, choose whether you would like to customize the permissions and accesses that you're going to grant to it, or simply allow everything that it asks for and start using the app already. So that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.